I went out and tried to cut a pine tree down, fell through the ground like Alice. Oh, what a sound! This must be a nest. I got rocks and sticks against my chest. I'm Alice. Dear Queen of Hearts, I'ma grow you white roses so you can learn to be kind. Tell King of Hearts to arm all his forces so you can learn to be kind. Oh, what a start! Inside out and upside down. No stress, I'ma clean up this mess like Alice. First hand me scissors, then bring out the heavy artillery. Oh, justice is my middle name. I'm Alice. I'ma grow you white roses so you can learn to be kind. Tell King of Hearts to arm all his forces
hide out a little bit from the wind here. So signifies that last rafter we just cut, that is half the rafters totally cut for this building. I'm picking up the rest of them tomorrow morning from the Amish. I'm not going to have a lot of video of the actual roof going on. You guys are going to see more of the after shots, the progress throughout the week, because my father-in-law and brother-in-law are going to be working on it while I'm at work during the day. So my father-in-law is retired, and with the family business and all that, my brother-in-law kind of runs around, and both of them, they run around and do all the family projects pretty much right now. And I'll tell you what, those two boys have been running real hard all summer, and now they've been running hard the last couple of years because there's a ton of family projects going on. So a lot of you have always asked, how come you're doing this alone? How come you don't have help? Where's the family and all that? Well, they have their own stuff going on, and believe me, they have just as much going as I do. But so we're getting to a really good point here. Hopefully by next weekend, most of the roof will be on. We'll see what happens. Boy, that wind is nasty tonight. I don't even know how much of this is going to come through. So just a quick update video, guys. That wind is terrible. Just a quick update, just letting you know what's going on, showing you some progress. You can rip off rafters pretty fast if you have a template and you get them all set up on your sawhorses. When I did the last batch, I like to put stop blocks on the back of the template or on the top of the template. That way, and I put them right over where my critical angle, where my cuts are going to be. That way, it doesn't matter what you have for a crown on the piece that's going on or anything. Every angle, it's all going to be on the same plane no matter what you do. That last one was kind of a banana. Wasn't very happy with it. I'm actually shy a couple because there's a couple I cut tonight that probably aren't going to be used because I just didn't like some of the very large knots. There's two of them that have some pretty nasty spots in them. I think I'm just going to get a couple of more. But anyway, that's where we're at. That's what's going on. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like I said, not a lot of information tonight. And there's going to be some of you who probably going to watch this channel for the first time and complain that this is a music video. If you're looking for information on this build and everything else, there are a ton of videos on this channel of explanation, very heavy on the explanation and the detail. But that's why this is kind of a vlog style thing. You know, you put I'm out anytime I'm working out here, I'm running the camera. So some nights there's a lot of explanation, sometimes it's nothing but music. That's just the way she goes. So a little bit of something for everybody. But anyway, have a good night, folks. I think this wind's going to drown out half of this one, but we will see. I'll catch you on the next one.